Do you want to know a secret? The most powerful people in the world don't talk the most, they use silence as their weapon. Think about it, leaders, CEOs, and highly respected individuals don't waste words. When they speak, everyone listens. But the real magic? It's in what they don't say. Today, we're diving into 12 powerful ways to use silence to command respect, influence people, and gain an unstoppable edge in life. Stay till the end, because number 10 is a secret that only the smartest people use. Before we start, comment below. Do you think silence is more powerful than words? Why or why not? Lao Tzu once said, "Silence is a source of great strength." 12 ways to use silence to command respect. 1. Master the power of the pause. Ever noticed how great speakers pause before making a point? It builds suspense, makes people anticipate your words, and gives you authority. Try this. Next time you're speaking, pause before answering. Watch how people lean in. 2. Stay silent when someone insults you. When someone tries to get a reaction out of you, silence is the ultimate power move. Instead of reacting, look at them, smile slightly, and say nothing. This makes them feel small and puts you in control. Try this. If someone disrespects you, just stare at them for 3 seconds and move on. They'll never forget it. 3. Listen more than you speak. People love talking about themselves. The more you listen, the more powerful you appear. Try this. In your next conversation, speak 20% and listen 80%. People will respect and trust you more. 4. Use silence to negotiate like a boss. When negotiating, say your offer, then shut up. Most people hate awkward silence and will fill it by giving you what you want. Try this. In a salary negotiation, state your number and wait. Don't speak first. 5. Control conversations with strategic silence. Ever had someone overshare because you didn't respond? When you say nothing, people feel the need to keep talking, often revealing key information. Try this. Ask a tough question and stay silent. Watch how they scramble to explain. 6. Make your words more powerful. If you talk too much, your words lose value. But if you speak less, everything you say becomes more important. Try this. Next time you speak, trim 50% of unnecessary words. Your message will hit harder. 7. Use silence to show confidence. Insecurity makes people ramble. Confidence is in calmness. A person who isn't afraid of silence radiates power. Try this. In your next social setting, sit in silence for a while. Notice how people look at you with curiosity and respect. 8. Walk away instead of engaging in drama. Arguments drain energy. Not engaging is the real power move. Instead of explaining yourself, walk away. It shows you don't owe anyone an explanation. Try this. If someone tries to argue, simply look at them, turn around, and leave. Watch them lose their power. 9. Use silence to command attention in a group. If you stay silent in a discussion, people will wonder what you're thinking. The moment you speak, everyone listens. Try this. Stay quiet for the first 5 minutes of a group discussion. Then drop one insightful comment. 10. Make others feel heard, even when you disagree. Silence makes people feel validated. When debating, don't interrupt, let them finish. Then, reply with, "I hear you." This makes people respect your opinion more. Try this. Next time someone argues, stay silent, nod, and reply calmly. They'll listen to you more. 11. Observe before speaking. Those who observe before speaking always have the smartest insights. Power comes from understanding the full picture before jumping in. Try this. When entering a new situation, watch and listen first. Then, speak with full knowledge. Mystery is attractive. 12. Don't reveal everything about yourself too quickly. Silence makes people want to know more. Try this. Next time someone asks about you, answer briefly and ask them a question instead. They'll be dying to know more. Now, know that silence isn't weakness, it's a superpower. When used correctly, it commands respect, influences people, and makes you more powerful than words ever could. Which of these silence tricks will you try first? Drop a comment below. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, sometimes, saying nothing says everything.